Hey everyone, Ryan Nilsson here. Ever feel like affiliate marketing is just one big confusing maze? What if I told you there's a way to start earning without all the stress and confusion? No gimmicks, just real results. Introducing the automated commission system, a breakthrough system that simplifies everything. No more complicated funnels or writing endless emails. This system gives you the tools and step-by-step training to start earning faster. And if you're ready to take it to the next level, the Freedom Bundle is your all-in-one solution to scaling your business. But hurry, the special launch pricing is ending soon. So stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this could be the easiest way to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. And I'm giving away some insane bonuses that will make it work for you even faster. So let's dive in.
All right, here we are on my bonus page, and how you get here is just by clicking the link in the description of this video, and this will show you all the details. Every single link on this bonus page takes you directly to the front end offer of automated commission system. Now, it says up here that this promotional pricing ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, July 20th. This offer is an evergreen product. It will be around for a while, forever. So this is a complete system and kind of blows away a lot of the other affiliate marketing guru systems that cost way more. And Ben Fletcher is the creator, and he's definitely unabashedly just saying those guys are probably completely pissed off because of this. So this is the automated commission system. And it is Ben Fletcher's step-by-step system for making big affiliate commissions by leveraging smart automation tools and strategies, all tailored for 2025. Real battle-tested affiliate marketing tactics that newbies and intermediates alike can implement fast. Awesome stuff. So these are the things that are included, and you have a five-part system that Ben has been using to consistently earn him five figures a month, over $100,000 a year, and it's a pretty simple affiliate business in a box. That's what he likes to call it. And the front end itself is amazing for only $17.97. You get the automated commission system. Forget the funnels, fake smiles, and all that good stuff. So how you get to the front end is, like I said earlier, you just click on any of these buttons you see here, or this link up here. Got them all throughout my funnel, or my bonus page here, and takes you directly to the sales page. And this is where it is. And here is his introduction to automated commission system reloaded, because this product has been around, but he has revamped it for 2025 and included some amazing things in it that you're going to love to check out. So pricing is on point for this front end. It is amazing. And so once you get the front end, and if you get any of the OTOs too, we'll talk about those in a minute, you will also get my bonuses. So I'm going to cut to the chase for those of you that want to go ahead and click the link in the description below this video and come directly here and start checking it out and kicking the tires and checking under the hood for yourself, and grab your products now before this special launch pricing ends. Then here we go. Bonus number one is Traffic Booster Secret. This is a value of $197 normally, and when you will get inside, you'll be totally delighted, because when you click to grab your Traffic Booster Secret, you'll have your own unique account that you will create for the actual full-blown training. This is a amazing training on how to efficiently get traffic. I mean, boost traffic to your offers like amazing, like a rocket. And so, yeah, all you have to do is click the link that I give on my bonuses after you purchase the front end or anything else, and you will be able to have access to bonus number one. And there's a coupon code, because it's normally, like I said, normally $197, so it'll be zero, and it's yours for free. Bonus number two is my own personal ebook, 10 Fun Ways to Supercharge Your Affiliate Reviews and Boost Your Commissions. I've been doing affiliate reviews for the past 3 years, 3.5 years, on my YouTube channel here, and I've collected a whole bunch of things that work for me, and so I put them all in this ebook for you to take and steal and use on your own. Number 3 is 12 steps to building a better business. Now, everybody knows when you're just getting started, you have no idea where to go when it comes to business. And so if you're brand new to having your own business online, then I encourage you definitely, this is the best thing for you to go through. It is very thorough, and it's put together by the folks over at NAMS, Novice to Advanced Marketing Systems. Love those folks. Jen Purdue's the CEO. Her dad, David Purdue, was the CEO when I joined them 3.5 years ago. And I want you to know that this is a solid product that you could use. Even if you already have a business, you will find some things in there and some gold nuggets that you're going to want to put into your own business practices. Bonus number 4 is, of course, the Chat GPT Masterclass. Now, this is a basic masterclass for those of you that are new to Chat GPT and you really want to get an understanding of it without having to shell out any money to someone else. This is a free masterclass for you. And then lastly, but most importantly, are all of the bonuses that Ben is going to be giving away to you just by picking up the front end. And they are amazing. The whole bundle is over $3,000, but he's basically giving it away for you to add to your experience with the automated commission system. So, what does all that look like? Okay, so when we go into the sales page, by clicking any of the links on the bonus page that I just showed you, you'll have an opportunity to buy the front end. And what you're going to get inside of that, well, let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like. I bought it, so I actually bought the Super Affiliate Freedom Bundle. But on the front end, this is the front end, automated commission system reloaded, and then I have all the other products below that from the bundle. But let's go back up to Ben's page here. I'll show you real quick, jumping down to where the bonuses are. I'm going to go through all this stuff. He gives you a lot of statistics and some testimonials and this and that, and another video you can watch. Here's bonus number 1. Okay, so affiliate mindset vacuum training. You know, I am a big advocate of having the right mindset. I was just very similar to him. I wasn't an auto mechanic, but I spent over 20 years in the corporate world. I had an employee mindset when I jumped out, going on 4 years this month. I left the rat race, and I had to shift my mindset from an employee mindset to an affiliate mindset, to an entrepreneur mindset. So this is a really good, concise training to get you, to shift your mindset, because it gives you seven mindset shifts you can need to use with affiliate marketing. If you overlook this, then you're going to fail miserably. Believe me, I tried. Bonus number 2, Super Affiliate Lead Generation and List Building Masterclass. This is a full-blown class on his top tips on lead gen and list building. And then bonus number 3 is his own internal 6-figure ad swipe file. Ooh, yeah, he's making 6 figures for a reason, folks. You're gonna want to take a look at these, and you can copy and paste those and customize them to your own liking, to your own audience. But he gives you step-by-step training on that. So, all of his stuff is backed by his own unique and industry-leading 365-day, 100% full confidence money-back guarantee. So you're not going to return it. You're going to get your money's worth and beyond. But no questions asked. Automated commission system reloaded. Okay? Now, these are what he has to offer you. You can go through and just get the automated commission system reloaded front end, and then you can pick and choose whatever front end, whatever one-time offers you want, whatever upsells you want, or you can just go ahead and get the Rainmaker, which is the Freedom Bundle, and you have all access to everything, including one-on-one coaching, email group coaching, and he's offering a course on Monday and introduce himself and on Zoom, and he's going to give everybody an overview of automated commission system and kind of give the lowdown of what he's going through with all of this. Now, these 4 bonuses that I just talked about are just, so this which includes this bonus training that's happening on Monday. All of this here is just for the price of $17.97, as you can see. And then the bundle, the Freedom Bundle, has additional two bonuses, which are his profit maps and his bonus, exclusive VIP bonus, Dream of Quitting the 9 to 5, 5 days super affiliate 101 email coaching. So this 101 email coaching is limited to just 100 people. So I don't know how many bundles he's sold so far, but you're going to want to take a look at that. And if you want the link to the bundle to go directly there, if you want to just bypass the whole funnel, because you're going to get everything that's in this funnel that I have listed here, all the upsells, the one-time offers, and you add them all up together, it's $417. But if you go ahead and buy the Freedom Bundle, which includes everything and gives you all of that you need, you can buy that for just $297. So that's over $100 savings if you think you already want the whole big, group of stuff. And I would highly recommend it. I've been through the front end for sure, and a lot of the stuff that he does, I do. Okay, but I did learn some things from him. But I'm really seriously excited about the entire package because I'm already an established affiliate marketer, and if you are too, then you're going to want to strongly consider getting this bundle for just $297. All you have to do is send me an email to ryan@ryansreviews.com, right down here. And all that information is in the link in the description below this video. So that's a wrap on this wonderful launch product that just launched this week, Ben Fletcher's automated commission system. And if you like what you see here and you want to see more of my upcoming reviews and product reviews and the digital information products, software, and courses in personal development, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified of any of my upcoming reviews. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.